In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a double exposure effect in Canva. This classic technique blends two images, often a portrait and a nature scene, to create a modern, artistic look perfect for posters, album covers, and social content. Start by uploading both images to Canva. Drag your portrait onto the canvas and scale it so the subject fills the frame while leaving space for the second image to show through. With the portrait selected, open Effects and apply Background Remover to cut it out cleanly. Refine the edges if needed, then duplicate the cutout. On the duplicate, go to Edit Photo, choose Duotone, and set both shadows and highlights to black. This turns the subject into a solid silhouette. Download this version as a transparent PNG, making sure no other layers are visible and that transparent background is enabled. Next, prep the second image. Add your nature or texture photo underneath the portrait or place it on a new page. Resize it so the key details fall inside the silhouette later. If needed, remove its background to remove distractions. Now comes the blending. One method is to use gradient shapes from elements. Search Gradient. Choose a soft linear or radial style, and set the colors to white or black. Rotate and position the gradient to create smooth fading where the second image will appear. You can also use the Image Blender app from Canva's Apps panel. It lets you mix images with linear or radial fades for softer transitions. Magic Grab can help isolate important parts before blending. Another approach is transparency blending. Place the black silhouette on top of the nature image and lower its transparency slightly. Use gradients or Image Blender with Screen Mode, which hides black and reveals brighter areas for a clean double exposure look. Once blended, download the result as a PNG and re-upload it to a new page. Add a simple white or textured background and adjust brightness, contrast, and warmth to polish the final look.